Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, come to you live from Vietnam, guys. And we're going to be talking about something interesting out there. We're going to be talking about FTX did nothing wrong, guys. And that could be the new narrative out there. FTX did nothing wrong out there and everything was fine. And we're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about FOMC. We're going to be talking about a whole bunch of stuff. We're going to be talking about Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and everything crypto related, guys. And you know, let's just jump into it. Let's just dissect what's going on out there. Remember, everything you see here is financial advice, guys. So as you guys know, there's a new narrative going out there, and it said, you know, on the new narrative, FTX did nothing wrong. And what I mean by that is, you know, what really started the whole FTX debacle out there was the fact of the matter that you know, Binance decided to dump and pull out of FTT. And what that did is it set a whole bunch of cards, it set a whole bunch of dominoes falling. And because of these dominoes were falling, basically FTX had a money crunch, had a liquidity crunch. And that is really what caused this whole debacle. What they were doing absolutely negates the fact that, you know, if Binance, if CZ didn't pull the trigger and get out of FTT, I would imagine that FTX would still be doing business as usual right now. So, I mean, I'm not going to talk about the connections, you know, with government and all of that. If I do that, the AI is just going to, like, choke my channel to death. So, you know, the fact is, from Sam Bankman Fried Chicken perspective, he didn't do anything wrong. It was business as usual. You know, we had, you know, Alameda that basically, you know, over-reported the value of their cryptocurrency and all of that. So basically, in light of the situation, FTX, you know, the narrative is they didn't do anything wrong. FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, didn't do anything wrong. And the new narrative is that CZ is the evil one that caused the collapse of FTX, and CZ is the one that caused this whole crypto contagion. So guys, what do you think? Did FTX do nothing wrong? Were they a victim of a bank run? Was CZ the one that was behind this? Was CZ the one that orchestrated this? And would FTX been okay and they did nothing wrong? I'd love to hear what you got to say about that. Sure, you know, we now know what was actually going behind the scenes, but could this be endemic? Not only for FTX, but could this be endemic for all centralized exchanges? So the real issue is not DeFi. The issue is centralized exchanges. So guys, think upon that, ponder that. Is FTX the norm for all centralized exchanges? And what's the fact that FTX was getting too big and CZ was feeling threatened? And because of that, CZ decided to dump their FTT tokens because they knew that there would be a liquidity crunch because all centralized exchanges are operating in the same way. Guys, smash the likes. Tell me what you think about that. Remember, not financial advice, guys, out there. So let's jump into it. Let's absolutely jump into it. Hopefully you found that kind of interesting, food for thought, something alluding out there. You know, so right now we did see that the markets yesterday the U.S. markets were pretty good yesterday. Let's jump into that. So we did see the U.S. markets were pretty good, and a lot of that had to do with this man, your man, out there. So it looks like the Fed officials see smaller rate hikes coming soon. So there was a whole FOMC meeting yesterday, and they did say that we could be seeing, you know, some easing of the interest rates. So that is pretty good. And they talked, they kind of kicked around the idea of 50 basis points. So that is pretty good out there. That is pretty good. Looks like Apple and Elon Musk could be heading for loggerheads. It looks like, as you guys know, that Musk wants to increase the amount of money coming to the company through subscriptions while opening up free speech. So the thing is, This could create a risk that Twitter could violate Apple or Google's app rules in a way that slows down the company or even gets its software booted from the app stores. So, there are some T's and C's and terms and conditions out there in terms of subscription. So hopefully there's not a violation there. I think, personally, I think this from CNBC is a bit of a fluff piece. I don't think there's really anything happening there. Let's take a look at the fear and greed right now. So this is, let me give this a minty refresh. We are seeing, this is kind of weird, huh? We are seeing that the price of Bitcoin right now is up. We're seeing that most of the crypto markets are up, but we are absolutely seeing the fear and greed, people still becoming more fearful. So this is kind of weird. This is kind of interesting. This is kind of contra-indicative out there. Normally, when the markets are going up, and we're seeing the crypto market's been going up almost for, it's like 3 days now. And, we're heading into Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody out there. Appreciate it. Much love to the community out there. This is kind of contradicting. I wasn't expecting that. I must say I wasn't expecting that. Let's take a look at the heat map, guys. You know what time it is. It's the heat map time. It is absolutely the heat map time. There we go. Sorry, the internet's slow. We are seeing a very, very nice, lots of green, and we're seeing a lot of dark green for the altcoins. We're seeing, look at Solana. Solana's on fire right now. Let's take a look at what's going on in terms of total market cap, and then we'll get into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. So we're seeing the market cap is up 4%. We're still below 900 billion, so that is not good. We're still well far away from 1 trillion. We need to get back up there, guys. We absolutely need to get back up there. We're seeing Bitcoin is up. It looks like Bitcoin is finally up and up slightly in the last 7 days. Ethereum is up. BNB is up. Binance is up. Dogecoin is up 6% today. Hoo yeah, and that is looking pretty good. Cardano is up, but still, if you compare it to where we were, before the FTX debacle, we are still seeing things are much lower than they were before. So DXY is following my pattern exactly as predicted. Now, I haven't changed this since I first printed it. Looks like DXY is following my pattern. That's pretty good. Looks like Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin as well is at $16,725, guys. Be cautious out there. I still think that my overall trend lines are valid. Let's see if Bitcoin does follow that. I mean, we may even go as high as 17,396, and then we could have some momentum to the downside. So keep an eye on that. We're not out of the woods yet. Weekly, we're looking good. Now, I did talk about this yesterday. I did talk about the digital currency group portfolio. Remember, they're around about $5 billion. They owe Genesis $1 billion, and this company is a behemoth, an absolute behemoth in the crypto space. And I was pretty shocked yesterday when I saw this. I really did not realize that DCG really had this much in its ecosystem. And so I actually did have some crypto on coins.ph. It's actually called coins.thailand and also Luno. So I saw this, and basically, as I said in my previous video, I transferred all of my money to my hardware wallet. So basically 99.5% of all my cryptos on a hardware wallet. I really recommend you guys do the same, because if the DCG group does collapse, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad. So do and get yourselves a hardware wallet. The link is down there. The link is down there, guys. Get linked up, guys. So keep in mind. And I did put this picture in our Discord group. So we do have a Discord group. So I did put it in there. You guys can see it right here. It's right here. So if you go to our Discord group, the link is down there. One, you won't miss a notification. And then any of the interesting factoids and tidbits that we have in the video, we post here. So guys, jump in on the Discord. I appreciate the invitation. Link is down there. Get the Discord, guys. It's free, 100% free. You're gonna love it. I love it, and it's a good place to also share some ideas and thoughts out there. So right now we're seeing that the fear and greed for Doge, fear and greed. Are you guys worried? Are you guys worried about Dogecoin? Maybe in the short term we're going to see some peaks and valleys and volatility, but in the long run, Doge is definitely going to be going up, guys. So happy Thanksgiving. FOMC meetings, good news out there. They're going to be slowing the rate hikes to allow FOMC to better assess progress towards its goals. So that's going to be good. They're going to bring down the interest rates, and that is going to definitely cause the broader markets to go up. And hopefully, keeping our fingers crossed, it will also make the crypto go up. But I'm still, like I said, I'm still worried. I'm actually worried about this one, guys. This could be bad. This could be really bad. Some trading ideas you guys may want to think about. Right now, I'm seeing that if I look at the BTC USD, we're seeing that right now it's pretty much neutral out there. So let's see what happens. A lot of people are calling for 18 area, and some people are saying that if it does hit the 18 area, there's going to be a lot of shorts. Like I said, I never leverage trade. I don't recommend anyone leverage trading, but some people are saying if it does go up to $18,000, that is a good area to short, guys. So I don't leverage trade. I'm not telling you to do it. That's just what people are saying, guys. Don't beat me up in the comments. Here we go. This is called the HODL ratio, and this is from Mustache. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Every time in Bitcoin's history when the R HODL ratio left the green zone, and we're seeing it leave the green zone here, 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 and here, the bull market started and the bottom was in. So if you look at that, the R HODL ratio has left the green zone. They've left the green zone, guys, again, but BTC is making new lows. Manipulation? I don't know. What do you guys think? Is this manipulation? I think once the final bottom is reached, BTC and crypto will rise heavily. So you guys think there's any manipulation going on right now? Because typically when we do see this R HODL ratio break out of this green zone time and time again, we do see a pump to the upside. So could there be manipulation? I don't know. You guys comment. Tell me what you think about that. I'm not going to comment on that. I don't want to get controversial in the video, else AI is going to clamp me down, guys. So Bitcoin remains in a range between 15,600 and 20K. Sentiment check. Do you think BTC breaks out below or above this trading range? So, right now, the daily on-chain data is saying that this is the range. And what do you guys think? You think that we're going to break out, or you guys think that we're going to break down from this range? My opinion, my absolute opinion, we're seeing that the BTC price right now is around 16,700. The realized price is around 20,000. The balance price is about 15, and the POW proof of work price. And now this is a cost. This is a cost for the miners right now. So the miners right now, the miners line in the sand is about $12,000, guys. So if we go back to the Bitcoin, so we're seeing that the minor capitulation zone is around about 12,300. So let me just move that up. Let me get that out of there. So we are seeing that minor capitulation is around about 12,200 right there. So that is interesting. That is cool out there. If Bitcoin does go down to that level, that will definitely cause Bitcoin to definitely break down to 10,000, guys. So that is what I'm thinking about that out there. That is the definitely a bad place to be. So what do you guys think? You think Bitcoin is going to break the upside or break the downside? I'd love to hear what you got to think about that. You got to be kidding, right? It looks like Sam Bankman-Fried Chicken will be the guest speaker at the New York Times Deal Book Summit event in November 30th. So I don't believe he's going to get on a plane, because I think if SBF gets on a plane, the fried chicken man, he's going to be handcuffed like a mother beep out there. So I don't think he's going. What do you guys think? You think he's going? Comment. I appreciate it. Looks like Elon Musk is reportedly considering a second Twitter headquarters in Texas as the company prepares to begin hiring. So that might be cool. Elon Musk loves Texas out there. I love Texas. So what do you guys think? Elon Musk has shut off corporate credit cards for Twitter employees, New York Times reports. So if you're working for Twitter, it's bad news bears, because you're getting laid off like a son of a beep, and you're losing your credit privileges. So basically, it looks like Elon Musk, he's basically, quite frankly, he's just fired everybody, and he's only keeping the core staff to keep the application on Twitter alive, and he's going to be refreshing everything. So that's it. If you're working for Twitter, beef up your resume. Looks like Elon Musk, the co-founder of PayPal, will turn Twitter into the ultimate digital payment platform with Dogecoin at the center. And I think this is really important that all the Dogecoin army, all the Dogecoin community understand that it is a matter of time. And I believe that this will happen. I believe in my heart of hearts that Dogecoin will be the center of the payment system for Twitter, along with fiat, right? I mean, if you're gonna onboard any kind of currency to a platform, you definitely need to have on-ramp of fiat, right? So I think at the end of the day, I think there's going to be Dogecoin. I think you're going to be able to onboard fiat, and I think there's going to be some kind of swap mechanism out there. So you'll use your credit card, you'll fund your PayPal wallet, and then you'll be able to swap it to Dogecoin. And remember that we have about 396 million people using Twitter right now at time of recording, and if even half of those people get exposure to Dogecoin, it is going to be huge for the Doge exposure. It's going to be huge, guys. So if you take a look at what's going on for Dogecoin, Dogecoin is looking pretty good. It looks like a bit of a Bart Simpson pattern here playing out. This is Bart Simpson's head, that is his nose. But we are seeing that we did have this descending trend line. We are breaking above that. We are well above the 8 cents. We're looking at 8.25. And our next stop, ladies and gentlemen, if we continue this momentum, could be around about, could take us all the way up to around about 10 cents. So, this could be a planned trajectory out there. Now, we do have this area of confluence. If we do break down from there, that is definitely going to be pushing Dogecoin back down to this level here, which is around about 6068, which has been our previous support level. So let's keep an eye on that. I'll keep you guys updated. Let's take a look at what's going on in terms of Dogecoin, in terms of the market cap, all that kind of stuff, guys. So here we go. So right now, today's my day off, guys. Can you believe it? In 12 days, this is my first day off. I'm so happy about that. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody out there. So right now, we're seeing that the total volume is about $561 million, and we're seeing the market cap is just gingerly shy of 11 billion, 11 billion out there. So that is good. That is good. And anything above 10 billion makes me happy. If we take a look at Doge, Doge is still in the number 8 spot. So that is good. We do need to catch up to XRP, but XRP, they're about around 8 billion ish above us. So, but we are kicking Charles's butt out there, and we have kicked Cargena to the Kirby. So that is pretty good. That's absolutely pretty good out there. Let's take a look at what is going on with Shiba Weeby right now. We are seeing that Shiba Weeby has added over 50,000 new holders during the crypto contagion out there. So that is pretty good. We're also seeing that right now Ethereum out there is looking pretty good. It's above our $1,200 line, so that is pretty good out there. So I'm loving that one. You should be loving that one as well. Let's take a look at what's going on with Shiba Weeby right now. So Shiba Weeby is just kind of trending. It's just going in my trend line. Look, guys. See what's going on here? Look, make that bigger. So we had this support, and we took a really long time to get back in this support, and then we have some resistance right here. So we need Shiba Weeby to get above the 0.925 area, and if that happens, then we have a next resistance level for Shiba Weeby around about 11, guys. So hopefully we can get ourselves above that. I'm really hoping we can do that. You want us to do that. So that's our next level of resistance. But from that perspective, we're going to have to travel. We're going to have to travel at lightning speed to get there. And let's see what that means in terms of percentage. So it looks like we're going to have to go up 30% to get there. Could we do it? There's a chance, guys. There's a chance, but let's see how the markets fare. So, guys and gals, once again, don't forget to get yourselves an ledger. Don't forget to join the Discord. I appreciate it. That's going to bring this video to a closey wozy, guys. Don't forget to go follow me on my Twitter. I would appreciate it. You would appreciate it. We got 5,223 followers. So those of you that are following the channel, I appreciate it. Much love out there. And guys, be blessed, be well, and also don't forget to check out my linky winks. I would appreciate it. Get the links. You want the links. Everybody wants the links. We got the Nano Ledger wallet. We got the Discord link. We've got all the stuff. Guys, don't forget to go and buy the channel a coffee, guys. The links are down. Buy the channel a coffee. Also, we got the Dogecoin tippy jar. Send some Dogecoin dust our way. I appreciate it, and show some support. And there is the merch, guys. Get the merch, guys. Absolutely get the merch. So, guys, be blessed out there. It's very interesting times in crypto. Happy Thanksgiving. Be safe, guys. Absolutely be safe out there. Have fun. Enjoy your families. Share some love. Share some warmth. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Absolutely, I will see you in the next one. Peace out.